Here's how to go live on TikTok. So, first of all, to get started, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device and log in to your specific account. Now, tap on the plus icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll to the right from the bottom and go to the live section, which is between AI self and post. Keep in mind that there are requirements to go live. If you don't see the live option, you need to be at least 18 years old and have 1,000 followers. These requirements may vary depending on your region, but those are the general rules. You should see the live option, and at the bottom here, tap on Add Title and choose a title for your live. And below that, you have three different options of voice chat, device camera, and mobile gaming. Choose any of these options that you prefer, then tap on Go Live option, which is highlighted in red color. You'll see a countdown and then you'll be live. People can now start joining your stream. When you've finished, tap on the power button in the top right corner and then tap on End. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.